ayan na, gumalaw na. Naamoy na ang manok. Very cute po yung kanilang pangamoy. And syempre, dahil puro kayo girls, kaya kailangan ma'am, hawakan mo yung stick. Dahil pag nagrabe na medyo malaki-laki, yeah, they are much stronger than you guys. But bisaan anyway po na yung mga buhaya, yung kanilang jaw is their number 1 defense mechanism. Dahil po yung kanilang force bite is 350 pounds. So napakalakas po ng kanilang jaw. Now, these are again the freshwater crocodiles, and they all came from the crocodile farming in Palawan. So,
Ay, yun ang laki!
Sila pa yung mga inaggressive type ng buhaya. Compare sa mga saltwater na mga
Ayun na yung malaki, oh!
Pero kahit freshwater lang yan,
Ay! Bang!
they can also be as wild or as aggressive as the saltwater. At bali po, itong Subic Safari, nag-operate po kami for more than 5 years.
Nakuha na siya.
Bago pa lang po ito. Dahil marami po plan yung may-ari na ito yung attraction dito, tsaka magkasya ng maraming animals po. Nung first 3 years pa lang ng Subic Safari, so our first 4 years pa lang ng Subic Safari, ang open po is ano lang, 6 attractions na po. Then ito po, bago lang ito, yung AITA, yung museum, yung Hirap Chart of Crocodile. Bali ito po yung 1 year na nag-operate. Itong ESO na ito. Ubus na.
Ito may isa pa.
So aside from the quarter size of chicken, yung pong kanilang normal diet, yung pong normal diet or food ng mga 200 po namin na buhaya dito is 300 kilos of chicken. So ganun po karami kinakain nila. 300 kilos of chicken, pero once in a week lang po yun. Kaya lang, as you can see, almost every day, pinapakain din po ng mga guests. Kaya po, they are really healthy. They're very healthy, they're well fed. And you can actually say that through the size of their tail. Napakataba ng kanilang tail. So yan po yung senyales talaga po. Sila ay hindi kutok. Sila po ay busog na busog. And by the way po now, for this local species of crocodiles, sila po ay medyo maligid. They can only grow up to 10 feet maximum.
Nasa si Sam sa...
Pero yung mga